Welcome to the advanced section. This is about the real volume, what you were waiting for. Just before I will start, please be sure that your member zone looks like this, that you got enrolled to all 5 parts of this course, and you are watching this video because you already finished the intermediate part, and you also watched the webinars to see these all puzzles together, how I see the market and how it is good to join the market without real volume. And second reason for, why you are watching this video is because probably you just joined me and you jumped directly here. My advice is to go back and really finish this. Even if this is, if you see this as something too easy, just compare if we both see the market in really same way. Okay, so let's go started. I just want to explain what is in these lessons. The main 3 are the first, right? The footprint chart is about what we see there, how to read this, and why this is so important for me. Imbalance, this is my best way of looking for entries. Absorption, I don't use this too often, but it's also very important to know who is absorbing whom and where we can expect this. So these 3 are the main thing. But please remember that using of the real volume is any kind of holy grail of trading. This is now what I observed on Instagram and Facebook. This is just a new trend. Many new Instagram marketers love to share this as really the perfect way of trading, that you will see everything and no more losses. Don't follow the trend, follow the understanding. So really I treat the real volume only as a confirmation to how I see the market, to how I join. I can also trade without this, but when I see the real volume, I see the invisible, I feel better. I feel better how to manage my position, where to join, and the good confidence is something very important in trading. Okay, so this is about entries, these 3 parts. Delta is just a small video, short video about how to recognize if your drawn demand to supply is valid, if you can expect some move. Then point of control. This is about key levels, just additional drawings to the intermediate part of the course. Market profile, also about zones and drawings. This compared with your knowledge from intermediate part, how to draw the zones, can give you wonderful confirmation if this is really the price area where you can expect the rejection. VWAP, this is a bit different video about the tool I don't use. I spent a lot of time on testing this. I gave it a chance for 2 times, but I found this working in short term, not long term. I prefer only the solutions which are proved in the hundreds tests, not just this is working short. Maybe you can surprise me and share with me your thoughts, your explanation and your logic. Yes, what you see behind this tool. I found this useless. So this one video is about the tool which is seen as need to have. Yes, one of the most popular based on the real volume. but not for me. Yes, so just I thought that this is very fair to share with you my opinion about this. I tried, but I cannot. Yes, I cannot use with you tool which is not giving profits in long term. And the last part, the longest video, over half hour, is the mindset of a trader. This is based on my experience about my way from the losing trader to the independent one. Maybe you can find here some inspirations to change your view, to change your mindset. And yeah, how to get these all tools? This is one of the questions. Please go to the Discord channel, Discord server, to the guides channel, and by the way, please download this. This is one of the part we are looking for. This is kind of a small shortcut to the real volume. And here is the link. In one of the last messages, this is the link to the ClusterDelta, our data provider, and also our tool provider. You can download the tool for your platform, MT4 or MT5. And at first you are able to choose the 2 weeks trial. Usually for new members this is just 1 week, but for us there are 2 weeks, or directly choose the for the $34 the half-year subscription. And then here I shared the link with you how to install this. The creator, the founder of this company, his name is Dennis. He very nicely explained step by step what to copy where, and with folders, very good instruction. You can follow this, and if you will have any questions, please ask on our main chat, or directly please ask the Dennis. He's answering very fast, very helpful guy, and there shouldn't be too many problems. This is intuitive, and yeah, I think that's all about the short introduction video. Hopefully this will not make any problems, just to install these tools, to copy everything, and to be set up before the first lesson.